watching history. The first unpiloted suborbital flight with an all-civilian crew. Any moment now, we're told that that capsule is going to separate from the rocket booster. That capsule, it has, as you can see there, detached from the rocket booster. That's precisely what's supposed to happen. That rocket booster is descending.
Copy.
The sonic boom?
Yes. And the booster has landed. The booster's on the ground, Tom.
Bullseye, right on the landing.
My goodness. Stuck the landing. And Tom, that capsule should follow here in roughly 3 minutes.
And there is.
And there are the parachutes.
There are the chutes.
All 3 parachutes. Jeff Bezos, his younger brother Mark, Wally Funk, the oldest woman to ever go into space, and Oliver Daemen, all of them
adrenaline is pumping now.
About to touch down in the West Texas desert.
And touchdown. Welcome back, New Shepard's first human crew. What a flight.
Welcome back to Earth, first step. Congratulations to all of you. Oh my God.